Sharing login access without revealing your passwords is a challenge many of us face, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it securely in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to give others access to your accounts without compromising your sensitive information or without ever giving them your password. And stick around, because I'll even share the best software to make this easier and give you an exclusive free trial so you can follow along. First off, why is it important to share login access securely? If you're like most people, you probably need to let someone access an account. Maybe a coworker, a family member, or even a contractor. But you don't want to risk your personal password being compromised. That's where the right tools come in. Instead of just giving away your login details, I'll show you safer methods that protect your account and data. The first solution is to use password managers. Password managers like LastPass, 1Password, and Bitwarden allow you to securely share access to your accounts. Here's how it works. You create an account on the manager, then store your login credentials. When you need to share access, instead of giving out your password, you can share an encrypted login directly with the person you want to give access to, and they don't see the password. This is one of the safest ways to share login access without revealing passwords. Now you might be wondering about a simple and direct method for sharing access. One of the best tools to use is our software. It offers a feature that lets you share login credentials through a secure link, and the recipient can use it to log in without ever knowing the actual password. It's incredibly simple to use, and best of all, it keeps you in control. You can grant or revoke access at any time, so you never have to worry about someone holding onto your sensitive info longer than you want them to. If you're looking for even more control, some software solutions also let you set time-limited access. This means you can grant login access for a set amount of time, and once that time expires, the access is automatically revoked. It's ideal for temporary collaborations, or when you only need someone to access your account for a short period. Finally, remember to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. While not directly related to sharing login access, 2FA adds an additional layer of security that ensures even if someone has your password, they still can't access your account without the second factor. Let's recap. To share login access without revealing passwords, first use a password manager for secure sharing. You can also use software, like our recommended one, that allows you to send encrypted login links. Don't forget to enable time-limited access and 2FA for additional security. And lastly, if you want to follow along with this process, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below, available only to viewers of my channel. Key takeaway. The most important thing to remember is that you don't need to compromise your security when sharing login access. Use secure tools like password managers, software with encrypted login sharing, and enable 2FA to ensure your data stays safe. Again, make sure to grab your free trial from the link below and keep your account secure while sharing access with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.